How is it going, guys, and welcome back to another video. This is just like a short announcement based on the Discord bots series that I've been doing for a long time now, and I've just wanted to give like a sort of like update as of where the series is at now, what I've been doing, like is there any new videos coming soon, what's happening in the future for this tutorial. So far I'll get you guys up to speed of what's happened so far. So if you have a look at here, this is the playlist. So what I've done in the past is like pretty much episodes 1 to 5 were actually revamped. So as you can see, like they've been made 4 months ago, 3 months ago, and then as you can see, everything onwards is about 10 months ago. So those were the ones that I already had like beforehand, and then I've remade some of the early like I remade some of the early episodes of the series because I felt like there was a lot of things that were wrong and I could have done better. And then the latest bit of the series is like databases, and I've done those episodes about 3 months ago. So I haven't uploaded any new like episodes since, and like a lot of people are probably wondering, like is there going to be another installment of this series? Is there going to be more episodes? What's going to happen to the series in the future? So don't worry, guys, this tutorial is not dead. It's just the fact that I've been so busy lately that I just can't upload that frequently anymore. But since this year is coming to an end, what I did was in my Discord. So let me actually get my Discord up. I actually did a short announcement where I actually considered redoing the whole series, just literally start all over again, and redo a lot of these episodes. So I put out a poll saying, should I revamp the current Discord bot series and remake all the videos? And well, clearly it wins. Like it's got pretty much 8 votes, and it's technically 7 if you don't cut the bot's own vote. But yeah, like you lot want this series to be revamped, so I thought, what, for like for 2024, for this new year, I feel like, I do need to remake some of these videos and make an updated version of this series. So what I'm going to plan to do is not remake every single video, because I feel like, like these first 5 videos were remade pretty well and I've got the point across. But all of these videos, like making slash commands, using buttons, hosting the bot on a VPS, like pretty much, like a lot of those videos, I feel like I could revamp and make a bit better, because there's a lot of, like additional features that like I could have explained, and there were some instances in a lot of the videos where I could have explained things a little bit better, as I like rewatch these like videos. So like I've been doing like a bit of like self-reflection almost. I've been rewatching a lot of these older, like episodes, and I've been, like thinking to myself, I could have explained this a bit better. I could have maybe added some more features that I could explain. Like, for example, slash commands. I didn't explain how to use defer async, and I did that in the later episodes where, like I feel like I should do that in the actual slash commands video. I also don't explain how to make groups like slash commands, so there's like a lot of things I could have done better there. Same thing for buttons. There's a lot of things I could have simplified there. So yeah, man, I think I'm just gonna revamp this whole like series. I'm gonna make a brand new playlist. I'm going to add some existing videos, like the first 5 videos, and of course the database videos too, because those are quite well informed and explained very well. So I'll be keeping those videos. So bear in mind, I'm not going to be revamping every single video in this playlist. I'm going to revamp some of them. So hopefully you guys understand that, and that's pretty much what's going to happen in the future for this series. So for all of you long-time watchers that have been following this series from start to finish, like don't worry, this tutorial is not dead. There's still a lot of like extra episodes I could do, because a lot of people have been asking for like economy commands, like buying items and stuff like that using a database. So like I will be implementing those. There's a lot of like short videos I could do too, like tips and tricks on like coding in general. So there's a lot of stuff that I can do better with just my like my programming videos in general. So hopefully you guys understand that. That's why I've made this video, just to sort of get all of you guys up to date on what the future of this series is going to, is going to be like, very much. So yeah, that's just a short video. There's gonna be like a lot of changes, but a lot of new stuff coming to this series. So hopefully you guys understand that. So make sure you guys like and sub to the channel so that you don't miss out on these changes. And yeah, like aside from that, hopefully you guys have a Merry Christmas and obviously a Happy New Year. So peace out.